So I'm supposed to know all the right-of-way rules by heart? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I memorize them in 3 steps. Step 1, break it down into simple scenarios. We're talking pedestrians, intersections, and emergency vehicles. Step 2, visualize each scenario like a mini-movie. Perfect time to imagine yourself as the hero of the road. Final step, quiz yourself or a friend until it sticks. Boom, road-ready confidence, no stress required. Y'all see this? Use these tips to ace your driving test.